Recording the sewer line today at 1948 and from the 1948 5th Avenue West cleanout here on the south side of the home. This is a shared sewer line indicated in the map with 1946 5th Avenue West, home directly to the south of us. I've got the camera pushed out into the Seattle City main here. We're going to come back from that main and get a look at this line. So as we come back, initially this is going to be the shared section of the line. Got the footage zeroed out right at that connection to the main. You'll see a string running through the line. That's what I used to get over the section of pipe that was having a major issue that we were unable to get over last time. So again, shared 6-inch diameter clay sewer, seam about every 2 feet. And right here we start to come out of the shared section of sewer. So there's about 13 feet or so, 12 feet of that shared line from the main back until we come into the personal line of 1948. And right here, kind of at the seam connection where that Y joint is a large root. It's a diving section of pipe, large root right in there. And I've got kind of a big skid on the camera right now, so you're unable to see it very well. But at the bottom of that section is the lip that was not allowing us to get over this pipe initially. I'm now able to get over it with a combination of a string and a large skid on the camera. But we're starting to have some failure at that joint where the two lines connect. So coming back from there, we're now in that personal section of side sewer for 1948. We've seen this before on a camera scope. We had not seen that 12 feet of shared line before on the camera scope. There is some cracking there on that clay. That might also be our 4x6 diameter transition. I believe that was our 4x6. I'm going to get a locate on this spot real quick here. Alright, pausing and locating. Got that located about 5 feet deep, 5.5, 6 feet deep, right near the property line sidewalk. Coming back into the 4-inch diameter section of pipe now. Got a large root intrusion there and a decent amount of sand in the pipe here. So some dirt and sand is being introduced to the pipe somewhere through there. It's possibly one of these large roots causing that shift in the pipe and allowing dirt and sand in. Coming up out of the cleanout now. There is the cleanout we're making this recording from. End the video there.